Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video on Educate Me. And today I'm going to be showing you one of the simplest methods to make money online as a freelancer using websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. And the good thing about this video is I'm going to be giving out a bonus tip that will help you to get started right away. So the gig we are going to be looking at today is how to remove background from images. Before we move on with the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when next I upload another video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Also, I would like to let you know that in my next video I will be making video on data entry as a gig, and I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial and the required tools that you need to start. But let's just go ahead with this particular tutorial today on how to remove image background. So now let's head on to fiverr.com and let's search for the service background remover. Okay, background remover. So once you click on it, you're going to see a list of background removers services on Upwork. So and now all you need to do is go to Fiverr and search for background remover. You just put it in the search box and you click on search. So now these are the list of gigs on Fiverr, the people that are already rendering the service. As you can see background remover, one free trial, 25 images. You can see there are a lot of people doing this on Fiverr right now, and this is one of the easiest way you can get to make money online. So let's just click on one of these and see what the guy is offering. So the guy said I would do Photoshop editing, bulk photo background remover. The bonus tips I'm going to give you at the end of this video will help you even though you don't know how to make use of Photoshop. With just few clicks you are good and you are set to start making money on Fiverr. So let's take a look at the services this guy is rendering. For the basic plan, he's having $5 for basic plan. He's going to deliver the source file with high resolution, and the image is going to be a commercial use. Let's look at the standard. The standard is $10 with 25 photo background remover. The premium is $20, 50 photo background remover. You can see so easy to make money on Fiverr with this particular gig, and today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to do this. So right now the bonus tips is I know some of you are already thinking in your mind, what would this be? Okay, the good news is Canva. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make use of Canva to remove backgrounds from images. So let's head on to canva.com. Okay, so now we are on Canva, and one thing you are going to be doing is that it depends on the resolution of the image. You can decide to select from here. When you go to the right hand side, you click on create design. You can go with either custom dimension, or you can as well search for the dimension you're looking for. Maybe it's a YouTube icon, a YouTube thumbnail, and so on. But let's just go straight to this tutorial. So you click on custom dimension. So let's say for instance you want to make use of 1080 by 1080. Let's see, and you click on create design. So now we are here. So what you need to do next is you need to upload the particular image you want to remove the background. So I have some few images here, so let me just choose one from the ones I have. Okay, which one are we going to use? Let's just go through these and see. Okay, let's make use of this. Let's drag and drop. So before, I already have the image uploaded, so let me just go ahead and click on the image. So now this is what we have. Now let me expand it a little bit so you'll be able to see. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is head over to effect. And okay, another bonus tip that I would like to give you is one good thing about Canva is that you are entitled to a 30 days free trial. So all you need to do is to get your free trial and explore Canva. So what you need to do now, you click on effects. So now you can see right here background remover. So you click on background remover and let's watch the magic happen. Boom, you see, now the background has been removed and we now have a very beautiful picture. You can see there's no longer, compared to what we have before, you can see the image, the background is no longer there. Okay, let me just bring out the image we have before so that we can compare the two. Okay, this is the image I uploaded. You can see this is the before, now this is the after. You can see the difference between the two pictures. So this is so easy that you can start right now. All you need to do is to go on to Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer, create a profile for yourself and start making the money today. A few dollars, you can see as low as $5 you can start. As a beginner, you don't need to hype your price. All you need to do is start small, and gradually as you get clients online, I believe your few $5 will become thousands of dollars. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are able to learn one or two things. One thing I would like to ask everyone is that if this video is helpful for you and you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button, and whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first person to get notifications. Thank you very much and see you in our next video. Thank you.